So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to stretch pec minor and also how to work kind of with the rib cage in order to give yourself that little bit of extra stretch. So for pec minor, we are kind of usually starting around 90 degrees. So we are in that 90-90 position, 90 degrees of abduction to the side and 90 degrees of external rotation. The other hand is going to be placed just on the ribs, just for a little bit of control. Then the next step is going to be just keeping the shoulder down and almost like you're trying to turn away from the shoulder. At no point the shoulder should be tipping forward, so you're almost like trying to keep it, almost like try to push it in your back pocket and rotate away. Then from this position you can just take a few breaths, so just breathing in, just nice deep breath into the chest and almost like try to breathe as much as you can. And breathing out is going to kind of depress the sternum and all of the rib cage, so it's going to increase that stretch what you feel in your pecs just over here. And again, you can just repeat it a few times. If you have troubles kind of getting the ribs down, this takes of course just a little bit of practice. So again, repetition is the king. I would try to do this a few times, and gradually what you should find is actually there is quite nice improvement. So again, hand kind of in that 90-90 position and just turning while keeping the shoulder down. Common mistake is kind of rounding the shoulder. At no point you should feel kind of any kind of pain in the front of the shoulder. It should be kind of nice stretchy sensation over here. If you feel pain there, again, just make sure that the shoulder is almost like in your back pocket. The other options are you could drop that elbow a little bit lower just to kind of get different, more the sternal, or actually the clavicular kind of fibers over here, or you could kind of bring it a little bit higher where you're going to get a little bit more of the pec minor and also the sternal fibers and a little bit of the fibers which go from the rib just over here.